Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here. Okay, so just a few days ago, I released this video right here, 24 hours later with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. And in that video, I got tons of comments, but a lot of those comments were asking about battery life on this device. I guess not everybody watches the entire video because I did address battery life in that video, basically saying that it's just too early to really tell what battery life has been like on this device right here. I really need to use it for some time before deciding, okay, battery life is good or battery life is not good. It needs to learn my usage, at least for a week, 2 weeks tops, before it actually learns what my usage is like on this device right here. So it is too soon to tell what battery life is like, but since a lot of you really want to know, I'll go ahead and address it in this video and talk about what battery life has been like, I guess, over the past 3 days. Today's actually going to be like my full third day of usage with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 right here. So I will use yesterday's usage as kind of like an example of what battery life has been like for me so far with this device right here. And yesterday it was actually a really long day because it was my day to come back home from New York. And I was at the airport for long hours because my flights were changed, delayed, and I was like back and forth in the airport. But the Z Fold 7 right here was actually my main device all of yesterday. I was using it to consume my content, browse my social media. I was, editing a lot of stuff on the home screen when it comes to the outer screen, this inner display as well, just kind of, just moving things around and really getting it to my liking to make it easier for me to use when I open up this device or use it close. So I was using it for a lot of things yesterday and even answering a lot of your comments from my previous video. And you'll see I did take screenshots of what my usage was like yesterday, my screen on time, battery percentage, and all that. Now I did take this phone off the charger the day before. So it was like around 11:15 p.m. at night when I took this device off of the charger, used it for a little bit, fell asleep for a few hours, got up to go to the airport. And since then, it didn't see a charger. It literally lasted me pretty much all day. So if I'm just basing this off my full second day of usage, battery life on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 right here seems very promising. And, I know it does have to do with the new chipset. We got the Snapdragon 888 processor, which has this thing running good, super smooth. I mean, performance has been great, but when it comes to battery life, I know this has the same size battery as last year's Galaxy Z Fold 6, but it seems like it's going to be a lot better. And I'm assuming it's because of the new Snapdragon chipset that we have in here. It's so well optimized that it is helping the battery to last a bit longer than last year's model. So I did take a screenshot of what my usage has been like. So let's just get into that really quick. Okay, so this is the first screenshot I took. As you can see, the screenshot was taken at 7:28 p.m. yesterday, and battery life was down to 7%. As you can see, I was on my mobile data connection all day long, except for like the 20 minutes of free Wi-Fi I got on the plane, but that was it. I was on mobile data connection the rest of the time, the whole time I was at the airport and everything. And look at this. My screen on time yesterday was 7 hours. Let's see, let it focus. 7 hours and 47 minutes. 7 hours and 47 minutes of screen on time with 7% battery life left. I mean, and this is only on the second full day of usage. So that's actually really good. Let's go to the second screenshot. So as you can see, this is where my usage starts coming in. So I got Disney Plus, 2 hours and 40 minutes of Disney Plus. And that's with like one full movie and some of another movie. 44 minutes of YouTube, 46 minutes of Instagram, 32 minutes of TikTok, 22 minutes of X, 45 minutes of One UI Home. Like I said, I was just editing stuff around, my home screen to, customize it the way I want. Got YouTube Studio for 33 minutes. Like I said, I was going through a lot of the comments on, the previous video to try and get to everybody's comment and answer you guys. Of course, I'm not able to get to every single person, but I do my best. 17 minutes of Gmail, 29 minutes of American Airlines, 3 minutes of Chrome browser, 9 minutes of the gallery, 1 minute of Snapchat, 2 minutes on the camera, 5 minutes on messages, a minute on PayPal, a minute on Google. And yeah, so the rest of this is just other stuff. But as you can see, I mean, 7 hours and 47 minutes of screen on time. And that is just on my second day of full usage here with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. So it has me thinking, the more that this learns my usage and gets more optimized to the way I use this device, I mean, battery life can only get better from there, right? I mean, at least that's what we are led to believe. So once I do start using this device more and more, I will have an official video coming out like I always do. I usually always do an all-day battery drain test, you know, when it comes to new devices, just really showing you what my usage is like throughout the entire day. Every, you know, so many hours, I update you guys to let you know what my usage has been like throughout those, you know, few hours, what the screen on time is and battery percentage and all that stuff, what my settings are like. And I do use dark mode. I do have the adaptive display turned on when it comes to, you know, using the 120 hertz on both the outside and the inside to get the smoothest, you know, best performance possible. And yeah, so far battery life seems very, very promising, but do keep in mind that everybody's usage is different. And my usage yesterday was not like my normal usage throughout, you know, any regular day. As you saw, I used a lot of Disney Plus. I consumed a lot of content. I don't normally watch, you know, full movies every single day on my device, you know? So I'm sure if I wasn't doing that, probably could have got me a lot longer throughout the day. Maybe not the same amount of screen on time, because like I said, it really depends on what you're doing. Like I didn't do tons of gaming yesterday, so it's really just going to depend on your usage. But I guess this is just to kind of give you an early idea of what battery life could be like for you, for me. Like I said, we're gonna have to wait and see. I'm gonna continue using this device. If there is anything that you want to see here on the channel when it comes to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, whether it be in a video or just something that I answer in my full review with this device, let me know down in the comment sections below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any other future videos I have coming with this, because I'm telling you right now, I'm going to have tons of videos coming for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. But I have been loving this device so far. So that is it for now. Again, leave your comments down in the comment sections below if you did like this video and find it helpful. If I did finally answer your battery question, you know, you're wanting to know so early on, well, here you go. There's my thoughts on battery, what my experience has been like so far with battery life on this device. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. If you're looking to pre-order this device for yourself, I have a link down in the description below, the pinned comment, or you can check out the YouTube shopping. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace.